If you work with Oracle Fusion, here's how you can run SQL faster, smarter, and without the usual pain. Hello, everyone. Let me show you how CloudSQL from DataFusing saves you valuable developer time. Let's face it, Oracle Fusion database is large and complex. You write SQL queries with hundreds of lines. You could be a BI developer, an integration developer, a data migration consultant, or a functional consultant. You will need to write SQLs. You have the expertise, but you also need a powerful SQL editor to improve your performance and accuracy. CloudSQL makes SQL development an enjoyable process, as it should be. CloudSQL is a purpose-built SQL tool for Oracle Fusion developers. It helps you connect to an Oracle Fusion database and run the SQLs in a single click. Getting started is simple. You can enter your Oracle Fusion URL, username, and password. Click on the Test and Create Connection button. CloudSQL's Smart Fusion Connect will validate your entries and establish a new connection. CloudSQL also supports SSO-enabled Oracle Fusion connection. The database browser lets you search table structures instantly. Open the database browser on the right-hand side and enter the table name you want to explore. Click Go button to see all tables matching your criteria. Select a table to drill down into column details, including column names, data types, and descriptions. You can also view the keys defined on the table. CloudSQL's SQL editor is packed with the features professional developers expect. Syntax highlighting makes your code easy to read at a glance. Just start typing your table or column names, and CloudSQL automatically suggests options, helping you build SQL faster and with fewer errors. One click of the formatter turns messy code into organized professional SQL. It's essential when working with large queries, which you often are. CloudSQL's formatter is flexible and helps you define a consistent SQL standard for your entire team. Once your query is ready, just hit Execute, and CloudSQL pulls the data straight from Oracle Fusion and displays it for you. Now, some SQLs can be complex and run against large data sets, so they take time. In those cases, simply use Run in Background and keep working on other things in CloudSQL. You'll get notified as soon as your results are ready. The results grid isn't just a table. It's a powerful analysis space. You can sort your data in ascending or descending order. You can apply filter conditions. You can group the data as required. If you need to take a closer look at one record, use the single record view. Export clean results to Excel and CSV, or an Oracle database with a single click. The Excel and CSV will be saved to local files. Every SQL you run is automatically saved in SQL history, so you can come back to it anytime. You can also save your favorite queries to build your own SQL library. And whenever you need one, just load it into your worksheet and keep working from there. Debugging doesn't have to be hard, even with long SQL. Just click Fix with AI to get help from SQLProAI, CloudSQL's AI assistant. It fixes your SQL and explains exactly what was changed. You can test the result, ask for further tweaks, and load it back into your worksheet once you're happy with it. Giving every developer the BI report developer role can compromise security and bypass your release process, especially in production. In most cases, the team only needs to run select statements, not modify BI data models directly. CloudSQL solves this with secure credential sharing. Managers can create a connection, download an encrypted connection file, and share it with the team. Developers simply upload the file to create the connection, without ever seeing or sharing the application password. BI developers use CloudSQL to build and debug reports. Integration developers rely on it to create outbound integration SQLs. Data migration consultants use CloudSQL to extract reconciliation data, while functional consultants explore database structures and pull configurations for validation. Say goodbye to the tiny BI SQL window and tedious report creation process for running SQLs. Download CloudSQL for free today and run your first Oracle Fusion query in under 5 minutes. CloudSQL by DataFusing. Run SQL faster, work smarter.